Think about the following. God is the original and the authentic lover of people, all people. There is no difference with God. There is no preference or favoritism with God. He is, and I so just love this statement, God is the authentic and He is the original lover of people. The other day, I was at a guest house and a man who was from India asked me this question, so what do you do for a living? I couldn't help to smile. I looked at him and said, I am a pastor. And I could see on his face that he was trying to figure this thing out all the way from India. Here he was meeting a man from South Africa who is a pastor. What does a pastor do? I said to him, being a pastor means I am a lover of people. God is the original and the authentic lover of all men. And I am a representative of God. Man, something on the inside of him I could see was crying for more. You see, 1 John chapter 4 verse 7 says, Brethren or beloved, let us love one another. For love is of God, and he who loves is born of God and knows God. Also 1 John 3 verse 14 says, By this we know that we have passed from death to life, because we love the brethren. You know, in the world out there, it is simply about tolerance. Different cultures, different people groups tolerating one another. That's the best that the world has to offer. But God says that we must love one another as God loves us. Right there, God is calling you and me into a real relationship with Him who is love. And out of that relationship, to prove the power and the reality of the living God, without which it is impossible to love people that are from different culture and ethnic groups. That's why God made us all different, so that when God is real in your life, it brings us all together.